Pradhanika with Delhi Police Punner organized an interactive session yesterday at Kirorimal College, Delhi University. The purpose of the interaction was to listen to the grievances of Northeast students in Delhi and Spunner's plans and roles in keeping Northeast students and people safe. Polio vaccines are being given to children at various localities today. Asha workers and nurses are giving polio drops to children till 5 years of age at Anganwadi centers and community halls. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said that the historic Jonbin Mela is the manifestation of traditionality and unity. Attending the Jonbin Mela yesterday, Sonowal said that it is an inspiration of self-dedication for beauty and serenity. India's star wrestler Bajrang Punia clinched gold in the 65 kg freestyle category at the Rome Ranking Series yesterday. The 25-year-old produced a great comeback to secure a 4-3 win against USA's Jordan Michael Oliver in the summit clash. Ravi Kumar Dahiya, who competed in the 61 kg category instead of his regular 57 category, also bagged gold after defeating Kazakhstan in 12-2 in his final bout.